Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect any Chinese smartwatch to your phones. So many affordable Chinese smartwatches require specific apps and settings to connect properly with your Android or iPhone, and you can follow this guide to ensure a successful connection. So the first step that you need to do is charge and turn on the smartwatch. So before pairing, make sure that the smartwatch is fully charged and powered on. And if it has a QR code, you can scan it to check for the recommended app. And the next step is install the right app for your smartwatch, because Chinese smartwatches usually work with specific companion apps, and the most common apps include such as Fit Pro, The Fit, Wear Fit 2.0, MyBroFit, GloryFit, or High Fine. So you can just search for it on the App Store or Play Store. Let's say here I'm going to find Fit Pro. You can see there's this one. You can install it first before you pair your phone with the watch. And you can find also the recommended app. You can check the user manual or the QR code in your smartwatch settings. And if unsure, you can try searching your smartwatch model on Google to find the correct app. And after that, you can just download the app, get it from the Google Play Store. For example, here I'm going to just install the Fit Pro. So the Fit Pro is fit for many generic watches. So you can use this app if you're unsure what apps to download. And after that, after the app is successfully installed on your phone, you can enable the Bluetooth and location. So you can go to the settings or Bluetooth, or you can just turn it on the push notifications at the top, and also enable the location services, and it needed for many smartwatch apps. So you need to turn on the locations on your phone like this. Make sure it's on. And after that, you can just open the app, open the smartwatch app that you install, and don't forget to grant necessary permissions. So in here, the Fit Pro is successfully installed on my phone, and you can I'm going to just open it, click on agree, and here in the app you can just look for add device or pair device options. Here you can just click on set and tap on the find options in here and pair with your smartwatch devices. And do not pair with the watch directly from the Bluetooth settings. You need to always pair it through the app. And after that, you can just confirm the connections and sync the time and dates correctly, and the notification appear on your smartwatch. And you can control music, calls, or fitness tracking after that. So if there are issues, you can restart both the phone and smartwatch and retry the pairing process. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.